DevOps, a portmanteau of development and operations, is a set of practices, principles, and cultural philosophies aimed at improving collaboration and communication between software development teams and IT operations. The primary goal of DevOps is to streamline and enhance the entire software development lifecycle, from planning and coding to testing, deployment, and maintenance. Key aspects of DevOps include collaboration. DevOps emphasizes collaboration and communication between development and operations teams. By breaking down silos and fostering a culture of shared responsibility, teams can work together more effectively. Automation. Automation is a fundamental component of DevOps. It involves using tools and scripts to automate repetitive tasks such as code deployment, testing, and infrastructure provisioning. Automation helps reduce errors, speed up processes, and increase consistency. Continuous integration, CI. CI involves automatically integrating code changes from multiple developers into a shared repository several times a day. Each integration triggers automated tests to ensure that the codebase remains stable and functional. Continuous delivery, CD. CD extends CI by automating the entire software release process. It aims to deliver software updates to production in a rapid and reliable manner, allowing for quicker and more frequent releases. Infrastructure as code, IAC. IAC involves managing and provisioning infrastructure through machine-readable script files rather than through physical hardware configuration or interactive configuration tools. This helps ensure consistency and reproducibility in infrastructure deployments. Monitoring and feedback. DevOps places a strong emphasis on monitoring application and infrastructure performance in real time. This feedback loop helps teams identify issues quickly, allowing for faster resolution and continuous improvement. Microservices. DevOps often aligns with microservices architecture, where applications are broken down into smaller, independently deployable services. This approach supports agility, scalability, and easier maintenance. DevOps practices are not limited to specific tools or technologies. Rather, they encompass a cultural shift that encourages collaboration, transparency, and a focus on delivering value to end users. By adopting DevOps principles, organizations can accelerate their development processes, improve product quality, and respond more